Now we've got a few things to do. I want to just check over the 812, put back on the summer wheels and tyres as well, now that we've been driving in the... That's sort of the issue I need to solve as well. For some reason the doors don't lock, but the alarm goes on, so I'm just going to solve that. Other than that, this 812 has been really, really good. Like 100%, it's on my keep list. It does everything I want it to. So we're going to take it to the unit, give it a good check over after all the miles that we've done, just do the final little touches to it. Then I've just got to maintain it. We're going to check over Matt's Hurricane, I think, see the damage on that. And also, we've got to try and solve that pesky issue with the G-Wagon, which has been ongoing because it wasn't just an adaptive cruise control calibration, but we'll get to that. For now, let's get the 812 out of here. Let's give you guys a cold start because this is a joke. Okay, 812's in the ramp, got it all running. Everything seems like it survived from the trip. I had a little exhaust blow, but I've just moved the clamps further down so they're not blowing anymore. I did hear them flapping about, but they seems all normal. One bolt there. One bolt in there, that might have been my noise. Okay, one bolt. Seems all good. I think all I want to do now, get the winter wheels off, put back on the summer wheels. We've got to give back these winter wheels. We're looking good. I've just got to solve the door locking issue, which I don't think will be a problem. But let me show you guys back to the summer wheels. And we're back on the wheels where we started. Looks so much better on those wheels. Just a shame we can't get winter tyres, but hopefully we won't need winter tyres for this car again. Now the issue is it doesn't lock. I think I know the problem. Is because when we bought that door on the right hand side and it couldn't complete, it came with everything apart from the barrel lock. We changed over the barrel lock, but we never changed over the actual mechanism lock. But unlike Audis or Volkswagen cars or anything like that, if you change over the lock in the car, it normally just works straight away with the key. For some reason, I think this one is not working, and because that one isn't working, it's not liking that one either. So first I'm going to see if I can plug in the diagnostic tool and do it that way, and like see if I can like reset it that way, and then see if it'll work, and then it'll save me taking the door card all off to get the mechanism out. But if that don't work, I'm going to get the original lock out and switch it all over, and I think that should solve the issue. But I don't remember it locking before, so I don't know. Maybe this is the thing with these crash damaged cars. Sometimes they have problems before they were crashed, but let's try and figure it out, and we'll go from there. Right, I've got no faults, but I'm going to see if I can test the doors. Okay, so if I shut the door, let me go start activation. Okay, this one like tries to lock, but immediately flicks back off. Why does it do that? Turn off activation. Negative response test. Request beyond permission. Yeah, that's weird, isn't it? Like, you can hear it trying to do something. Unlock doors command. Go. Well, that unlocked. Have we got any codes on that? No fault codes. First, let's try it after I've just done that. You can hear it like trying to, but then immediately just flicks back off, and then this will set the alarm off. So let's see if it's the actual latch, if it's not latching right. In here, latch the lock, like that, see if that'll lock. No, just comes, I can hear it trying to, but it won't do it. And it's the same on that side, but obviously it must be, if one don't lock, they all don't lock. Right, the door won't lock, definitely won't lock, but I've just got the one off the old broken door. I can't believe that this is coded to the car, I just can't see it. But there's this little thing here. I don't exactly know what that's doing. It's flicking over something inside the lock. So I'm wondering whether that's off a different car or something. Like, you know, like this is for, this lock's used on like a different Ferrari, and that's just not, it's just redundant on this car. Don't want to go down and it don't want to go up. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take this out and then try it with this lock. If that don't work, then there's something definitely odd going on. So let's get this door card off as well. Right, that is for the twist lock. So when you twist the key, that must unlock and lock it. But I can't see it being coded to the car. That part number on that, 5975, 5975, they're exactly the same. I'll give it a try. I'm wondering whether something's wrong, something's not connected right. We'll give it a try. I'll plug this one in and see if it locks, and we'll give it a go. Right, let's get this out the old door, inside. Here we go. Okay, that's in now. I don't know if it'll work with all this stuff off, but I'll try it anyway. And if this doesn't work, it's got to be an issue with that side. And then I don't know whether they're all not locking because one won't lock. It's like when you try and lock a car and the door's open, it don't work. So I wonder whether this will work. We'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. Guys, we've hacked it. Check this out.
Nice, easy fix.
So it's literally lock switch over, and I think it just needed to full sleep, or it needed everything plugging on, I don't know, but for some reason it's working now, and it locks, and it works. So we now got a faultless Ferrari 812, come on! Everything's good. Everything is, it just needs a bit of a clean. And there's a new bit of wrap coming, and I'd like to do the whole quarter in one piece rather than having to piece it there because we were short on the wrap. But that's coming, and then that's it. One of my favourite cars.